Jimmy Rogers here with the One Water Yacht Group Tampa Bay. Welcome aboard the 2020 Princess S62 Sport Fly, day late, dollar short 6. I absolutely love the layout of the S62 Princess. It is a perfect larger size owner-operator with a 3-stateroom, 2-head layout. You've got 3 helm stations, one here, one on the flybridge, and an aft docking station. Bow and stern thruster. You've got a Seakeeper 9 gyro. You've got incredible control of the boat. It makes it super easy to run. It's powered by MAN 1200 shaft drive engines with a 4.5-foot draft. It makes it super easy, reliable propulsion and power. We just ran the boat. We saw 41.5 miles an hour at 100% load. We were cruising at about 80% load, doing about 31.5 miles an hour. Excellent performance, great layout. I love the openness in here. You got the beautiful satin walnut wood, a great lounge space. You have a designated dinette table, full-size galley. And the Sport Fly, even though it's a more rake-back, sleek design, has plenty of seating up there with a grill. You got an ice maker, wet bar, sink, refrigerator, everything you need up there. It's comfortable. You can fit 8 people there. Just a really functional, fun, enjoyable owner-operator cruising boat. Again, a lot of storage as well, so it's great for longer range cruises. To be able to get so much storage and so many features in a beautiful, sleek package like this is really incredible, and it's why I love this boat. And then this one particularly, day late, dollar short 6, has been kept in great shape. It's been stored for the last 3 seasons in climate-controlled storage at River Forest. She is beautiful inside out, and she's ready to go cruising. Thanks for taking a look at day late, dollar short 6, the Princess S62 Sport Fly. Hope to see you soon.